Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Hey.
Easy, baby.
I'm smoking on Osama. My bitch don't got no problems, and even if she did, she smoked so she forgot about him. And her pussy tastes like olives. Now fuck her till she hollers, and she my office chick, so I don't get it on her collar. And if she coming over, then she staying till tomorrow. Bitch, I kill that pussy, no remorse, no sorrow. And if she think that she can model, she can put that in a bottle. Cause I put my dick up in her, then I fuck her till she hollow. Now we smoking on that furry. My bitch don't got no worry. She say her ex a big waste of time, call her Maddie Curry. She say I got that fury, cause I fuck her till she blurry. When she suck me, I take all day. Now she moaning, hurry. Now we smoking on that Sosa. Yo bitch is getting closer. Now we in my backseat sofa, cause my phantom got a chauffeur. Gotta be careful when I stroke her, she petite. This ain't stroker, shorty talking shit just like she think my dick then damn near broke her. She smokes so now she focused, my dick doing hocus pocus, disappearing, reappearing. Now I got that pussy open. If you looking for donation, better tell that shit to Oprah, cause my pocket's full of ochre and I'm in my Testarossa. I ain't got time for no loafers. When she suck me, my dick choker after head from a red bone. Her makeup look like jokers. I'm rolling up them Christmas trees, my mug harder than Mr. T's. I got so much ice on, Batman thought I was Mr. Freeze. My paint looking like Two-Face, white diamonds with a blue face. Racks on Rex all through my shit, bitch I don't need no suitcase. Yes we in my Mercedes, we in my Mercedes, just my baby and my lady. Riding my Mercedes, yes me and my baby, she my lady. Shit so crazy, yes I ride in my Mercedes. Shit so crazy, me and my Nina and my baby. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Hey.
Easy, baby.
I'm smoking on